Welcome. So, as per one of the recent discoveries, Earth's oldest rock structure has been discovered, and it is believed that it is around 4.16 billion years ago. Now, this experiment or this study was done by Jonathan O'Neill, and this was in the region of North Quebec in Canada. Now, if we talk about the formation to the cretons, we would understand that Earth's origin is somewhere traced at around 4.57 billion years ago, and this rock structure of 4.16 billion years ago hold a strong history to the ancient concepts that we would be able to unearth further. Now, if we talk about the Hadean era, it talks about somewhere from around 600 million years ago, and the concept of plate tectonics, which we study, is very recent, somewhere around 3 billion years ago. Now, in this slide, if we talk about the structure and this discovery in the regions of Quebec and Ontario, this is one of the path-breaking discoveries. Now, only 5 to 6 locations globally are present which have a comparable age group of being billions of years old, and this research has been going on for last 15 years, raising significant debates. Now, there are two ways to date the rock structure. So one is the uranium lead method, where zircon crystals are present. However, this is a reliable technique, but zircon was absent in this sample which was obtained from the Nuvigit greenstone belt in North Quebec. So what was an alternative which was used? The alternative which was used was the samarium neodymium isotope. Now, this isotope comes in two forms, 142 and 143. 142 has a half-life somewhere of around 96 billion years and is extinct and gets extinct, right? However, the isotope 143 remains there for trillions of years and is still active, so it reflects the complex geological event that had structured in. Now, this was again debatable because there were three results which were obtained. One was the 2008 results based on the samarium 146 and 147 discovery, which were conflicting, and then finally this one was confirmed in 2025. This study, which has been confirmed, has been a combination of the isotopic analysis under the samarium neodymium isotope as well as the cross-reference decay chain, and finally this result has been brought as described by the Science Journal. So a very important discovery, highly important for your upcoming prelims examination. We'll be covering more important current affairs and updates for you. Stay tuned. Thanks for joining.